Can you get your Google account 8-digit backup codes? This tutorial will show you the quickest way to find them. First, open Google or Gmail and sign into your Google account. Now, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. After that, go to the Security section from the left side menu. Here, scroll down until you find two-step verification under the sign-in settings and open it. Make sure two-step verification is already enabled on your account. Otherwise, the backup code option will not appear. Now scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the backup codes option. Tap on it. Here you can view your 8-digit Google backup codes instantly. You can also download, copy, print, or generate new backup codes anytime for extra account security. These backup codes help you recover your Google account if you lose access to your phone or verification method. And that's how to get Google backup codes easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google account tutorials and security tips.